Yax, the easiest way to create a virtual agent for the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. In this tutorial, we're going to make a virtual agent more unique by recording new audio.
Talk to you later.
Once you've selected one of your microphone inputs and press Start Recording, you'll be asked to give Yax permission to that mic.
Talk to you later. Talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later.
The audio file will be saved to the agent's audio library.
I'll talk to you later.
And now you have a virtual agent that sounds unique. Create your own virtual agent for the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa at yax.co.